Luxinda Swirl here, new day, new Tumbler project. I received this amazing, humongous box full of tech wrap vinyl from the tech wrap people. I wanted to show you what they sent me, and then we will make a tumbler with it, or some of it. There's a lot here. This is, I believe, a toolkit. It has a squeegee, it has some tweezers, it has a pin pen in it, and I love the holographic, of course. Shiny things, I'm attracted to them. Okay, so we have all these gorgeous vinyls in here. We have brilliant purple. Most of these are plain color. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Livable green. Some of the names are kind of amusing. This is transfer tape. Lines on it. It helps with getting things straight. This is a baby blue, holographic, pastel rainbow. And then we have all of these, which I would consider to be in the pink family. Apricot, ultra pink, sweet pink, millennial pink, I'm not sure what that means, and piggy pink. Initially, I was thinking about using all 5 of these, but I think I'm going to pull the apricot and I'm going to use the 4 pinks. So let me get the table rearranged and we'll come back and begin our cup. Okay, I've unwrapped our 4 pinks and I wanted to point out to you that they come with a little sticker here that says remove protective layer. So I'm guessing there is a top clear layer and you need to remove that before you put them on your Cricut or Silhouette or whatever your cutting machine is. I am not going to be using the cutting machine to start, so I will be removing the protective layer at some point, but I don't have to do that right away. All right, so there is our pink and there is the protective translucent layer over the top. What I want is 2 1/4 inches of each color. Okay, we're back. I have cut up my 4 strips of the different pinks. Hopefully, if I did a halfway decent job, they're each about 2 1/4 inches in width and 12 inches long. What I'm going to do, not terribly creative, I know, but I'm going to go lightest to darkest. I'm sort of making this up as I go. I don't usually work with 25 different types of vinyl in one video, you may have noticed. October is, you know, Breast Cancer Awareness Pink, which is, by the way, what we're going to be doing today, although it's also a Halloween tumbler. In this case, my mother died of breast cancer, so this one's particularly special to me. And my dad died of Alzheimer's, so the purple for Alzheimer's is important to me as well. But in October, it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month, so we're gonna do pink this time. I have not taken the protective layer off the top. I'm just gonna worry about getting this on the cup first. See if I can get this to go on straight. I lost my spot. There we go. Well, actually, it doesn't look too bad. There will be a lot of pinstriping involved if I ever get this cup to work the way I hope to. This is the gold, or light gold, I guess. Ooh, I like that. I do, I actually like that. I like it, I really like it. I didn't know if I would or not. It's not done yet. Don't worry, we're not out of the woods yet. There's still plenty more that could go wrong. Yay. So now I need to get glitter on it. Okay, and we do the same thing on the other side. We have glitter glue from Artistry Epoxy. I'm going to brush it on. Use one of my fluffy brushes. You could use Mod Podge. You could do the epoxy method if you really wanted to. You could probably use tack it over and over. Whatever method of getting glitter on here you're most comfortable with, I would advise doing that. I'm going to use Sweet Tart. It's an ultra fine pink color shifting glitter from Glitter Chimp. All right, glitter glue needs to dry for a couple hours, and then I will probably spray paint the entire thing with a layer of clear spray, probably matte, but I don't think it really matters. And then I'm going to put a layer of resin on it. I will bring you back for the resin. And we're back. Okay, this turned out so pretty. I know, again, it's not going to be to everybody's liking because stuff shows, but it works for me. When you do your version, you do it any way you like. If you want to cut down here and cut down here and take all of that vinyl off before you do the glitter, go for it. Okay, and I have the midway point marked here by folding this in half and pinching the transfer sheet. So I wanted to say that this tech wrap, which is the pink, it's this particular pink, I used that for the lettering, the top layer, and it weeded like a dream. It cut like a dream on premium vinyl setting for my Cricut. I couldn't be happier. Okay, so my midway is here and here. I did sand. It looks dull because I sanded, because we're putting vinyl on, and it's more important to have a smooth surface than a shiny surface like you would need if you were going to put on a clear decal or a water slide or something like that. In this case, the vinyl just covers it up, and everywhere that's still exposed and has been sanded will come back when we put a layer of epoxy resin over the whole thing. Okay. In October, we wear pink. I lost my mom to breast cancer 25 years ago, and I just found out that I have cancer, not breast cancer, different kind. So there's that. This is for my mom. This isn't for me. I'm gonna put some pink alcohol ink on the bottom and around here on this unglittered side. There we go. Ooh. I think that'll do. I'm going to wait till the Mod Podge that I just put on here dries, and then I'm going to brush on another coat. I'm actually really thrilled with this. And then the next time you see this, we will be out in the sunshine. So stay tuned. All right. Whew. Ooh, doggy.